Welcome back to this series on electric ukulele playing. This next video is about Why Worry by Dire Straits. Something gentle after all these power solos. I'm not claiming I can play like Mark Knopfler any more than I can Tom Scholz, but the intro solo here is gorgeous, and as Dire Straits songs go, it's doable. You just need to stay in time and hit the notes cleanly. The trickiest part is the second phrase, where you play two strings at a time. I think it sounds softer and more intimate with fingers, but you can pick if you prefer. As far as I know, there are two guitar parts in this section, one melody and another arpeggio finger picking. In some videos I've seen people are doing both. I can't, but if you want more challenge, you could try. For now, tune your uke and let's play. I don't remember what zoom patch I used for this. I think it was light clean, but it doesn't really matter. You don't need a lot of effects on this song, maybe some chorus and some rich reverb. The first section has two phrases. The first one is this. Do that slide fairly slowly. The second part of the first section, the second phrase, has this walk down. On to the second section already, and it's not that much different. But here the trick is playing two strings at a time, something Knopfler seems fond of. And this takes a bit of practice to play this cleanly. You can try a pick if you like, but I prefer fingers. That's a pretty quick jump up here. Do the best you can. Then we have the same walk down again, although it ends a bit differently at the end with a hammer on. The third and final section is pitched, I think, an octave higher than it is on the recording, but it's a uke, that can't be helped. Then it's the same thing again. Now, in the original, there's two strings at a time again, and that's hard to do. Hard for me to do, and also hard to do on a uke. So what I'm doing is I'm playing the same thing the second time, and then the third time I'm trying the double strings. That's the intro solo. Let's hear what it sounds like.